Good day, everyone. Welcome back to Lessons by Miss Angel Patel. Today we're going to learn Afrikaans for beginners. Lesson 1: Greetings and Introduction. In today's lesson, we'll learn how to greet people and introduce ourselves in Afrikaans. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to have a simple conversation. Lesson objectives. Today you will learn common greetings, how to ask, how are you, how to introduce yourselves, and basic polite words in Afrikaans. Firstly, we're going to learn greetings. So, if you want to copy this table down in your notebook, you're more than welcome to do so. So, I have the words in English and the words in Afrikaans. These are just the basic Afrikaans greetings. So, the first word is hello. In Afrikaans, take note of the spelling. The spelling is hallo. It's Hallo. So, when you greet someone, you say hello, and then the next word is hi, which is the same in Afrikaans. That is used more of like a casual way, informally, maybe with friends or something like that. Then we have more of the formal greetings. Good morning. Goeiemôre. Goeiemôre has a copy at the last letter, the last E. So please make sure your spelling is correct if you're doing this for exam purposes. But if you're just learning this to speak, then the pronunciation matters more. So good morning is goeiemôre, good afternoon is goeiemiddag, good evening is goeienaand, goodbye is tot ziens or bye. And the spelling of bye is Baai. So both of them they're interchangeable. So they can be used formally or informally depending on the situation or the person you're talking to. Good day, goeiedag. Go well, mooi loop. Now that is like an informal one. Go well, like, take care, like, yeah. So that is how you say go well, mooi loop. All right. Now, asking how someone is. These are like the few ways of saying or asking someone how they are. There's two ways. There's a polite way and there's a friendly way. If you're speaking to someone older than you, so please make sure you're polite and do not use informal Afrikaans. Hoe gaan dit? That's polite. Hoe sit is more friendly, talking to your friends, casual. That means how are you? So let's do it again. Hoe gaan dit? Hoe sit? Right. Now we're going to go through responses. You can respond in any of these ways, right? A, if you're not doing so good, there's responses for that as well. And if you're doing good, you can say, dit gaan goed. Dit gaan baie goed. Dit gaan nie goed nie. Ek's goed. Dankie. Nie so goed nie. All right, I'll explain each one of them. So the first one, dit gaan goed. It's things are going well. Dit gaan baie goed means things are going really well, like extremely well. Dit gaan nie goed nie. That means things aren't going well, not doing so good. The next one, ek's goed. Dankie. I'm good. Thank you. Nie so goed nie. Not so good. All right. So that's how you ask someone how they're doing, and that's how you respond to it. Next, how do you introduce yourself to someone? Okay, we have two steps. No, step one is start with a polite greeting, followed by your name and a statement of pleasure. An example below is hello, my name is Sarah. Aangename kennis, which means hello, my name is Sarah. Nice to meet you. The one in Afrikaans, I'll repeat it because of my previous error. Hello, my naam is Sarah. Aangename kennis. That means, hello, my name is Sarah. Nice to meet you. You're politely like greeting and then you're also introducing yourself, which is a really good way to introduce yourself in Afrikaans. Next up, we have polite words. So these are the two tables you can copy down in your notebook and learn them. So we have the English Afrikaans table and then the Afrikaans English. It's basically the same thing, just swapped around. Please in Afrikaans is asseblief, asseblief. Thank you is dankie. Yes is ja. In Afrikaans, J is pronounced as a y, so it's ja. No is nee, and then formal U is yo, and informal U is jy or yo. So the formal U is technically used for polite conversations when you're talking to someone older than you. It's formally used. It has a deeper sound or pronunciation, yo. And then informal U is jy or yo. Remember, J is pronounced as a y in Afrikaans. Jy and then yo. And then we have pleasure, which is plesier. In English, it's pleasure. In Afrikaans, it's plesier. And then in the next table, we have baie dankie. Baie dankie means thank you very much. Ek is jammer. I am sorry. Verskoon my. Excuse me. Aangename kennis. Nice to meet you. Formal U and informal U is basically the same thing as the previous explanation. Lekker dag. Have a nice day. All right. Here is a conversation practice, mini conversation that you can have. Person A greets by saying hello. Person B replies by saying hello. Hoe gaan dit? Person B is asking a question to person A. Person A replies by saying dit gaan goed. Wat is jou naam? Now person A is also asking a question in return. Person B replies, my naam is Sarah, aangename kennis. Now, what does this conversation mean? Person A says hello. Person B replies, hello. How are you doing? Person A says, I'm doing good. What is your name? Person B replies, my name is Sarah. Nice to meet you. This is a few phrases that you could use for practice. The answers are right next to the questions, but you can write it down in your notebook for practice. Hello, hello, good morning, goeiemorgen, thank you, dankie. My naam is Alex. My name is Alex. How are you? Hoe gaan dit met jou? Nice to meet you. Aangename kennis. I'm sorry. Ek is jammer. Excuse me. Verskoon my. Today's homework. Practice today's words out loud 3 times on your own and then try introducing yourself in Afrikaans. And also leave a comment telling me which Afrikaans word was your favorite. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to subscribe. In lesson 2, we'll learn everyday Afrikaans phrases that you can start using immediately. I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.